Hi guys, I'm Mab here. Welcome back to my channel. And since we just got our daughter, her first cat ever for her 13th birthday, which is a female Siamese cat that we named Doggy. That's sometimes we call Doggy, or sometimes Dog, or sometimes Doogie. I made her a DIY cat house made out of cardboard boxes. And if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. So, this is the night before having her first pet ever. Her first cat's name will be
Doggy.
Doggy! So, we're very excited. We're still in ECQ, so we're not allowed to go out, and there will be a lot of checkpoints from Las Piñas to San Pablo, and it's gonna be very far.
Yeah.
So, we just decided to use a pet transpo service. It's Kuya Jeffrey. I'll be putting his name and link down below. And
It's gonna be
his
here
number.
by 9 or 10 a.m. So,
Hope we will be able to sleep tonight.
I'm excited.
Super excited.
It's full.
I've never had a cat personally.
Yeah.
I believe that she's responsible enough to handle a pet and be a meow me.
Yeah. Meow me. Be ready for
See you tomorrow, and
yeah.
Doggy's gonna be here.
I already have the cat stuff like bowl, leash. We're gonna buy the cat litter. Wow!
Wow! Doggy! Doggy! The bacha with the carpet and scotch tape on the side. And the box. And the scratch post. Scratch pad po. Yan.
Scratch post.
First home. Temporary.
Yeah, mag-upgrade pa yan for sure.
Mamaya din mag-upgrade yan.
Sana lang.
Ayan, ito po. Medyo may mas malaki pa kuya. Yan. Uy, parang ayos yun ah. Kuya, yung Winston. Yan. Yan ko. Okay na siguro ito. Marami naman dito. Pwede naman kayong bumalik. Yan na lang. Magkano ba isang ganyan kuya? Yan. Sige ako naman gagawin ito kuya. Main thing was able to get this whiskey box that has dividers on it. And I'm still thinking of exactly what I'm going to do with it. But I'm planning to put this inside, like this. So that's going to be its safe place. Like literally, put this whole box inside of this box. Put another carton in here. So this is going to be like the first floor, and this is the second floor. And there's a hole in here. And then there's going to be his bedroom. And then, well, we'll see. See what we can do about it. Material-wise, of course, we'll be needing the cartons. Cutter, scissors, really wide masking tape, or no, not masking tape, scotch tape. And for the ladder, we have this old, like, you know, tissue paper and wrapping paper cartons. And then I'm thinking of using these plastic covers as the door, so it'll just flap open. And then to make it pretty, we're going to be using this wallpaper sticker that I have on stock, because I know I will be using it for something. I just don't know what. Even with these, and I think this is the time to use it. So yeah, that's the plan. And then I have a lot of extra boxes that you can use as dividers for the second floor or whatnot. And then let's see if we can have like a third floor or like a duplex. Let's see. Alright, first things first. ahead and put this aside. Put this. Perfect. Oh my god, fits perfectly. So that's gonna be that, and it's gonna be as a support as well for the second floor. I'm so happy with that. Now, for us to be able to know where to cut, let's pull this out again and measure. Just get something to mark it with. That's that. Alright, so let's do an inch margin. So this is the door. And then there's the whiskey divider. Now, we have to measure the base. Get that huge box over there. And then we'll use it as a support in here. We have to cut the top of this box. You can imagine that. This will be taped on the wall, and this will have an entry point to the second floor. I'm just gonna cut this first, get this whole thing. You get it. Now, we will measure this. Remember, there's going to be the second floor part. Come here. Say hi. That's you, doggy. Doggy does not fit in here. So, instead of having 3 frames for 12.
Wow, you know what the math.
Oh my god! Baby, come here. Looks like she loves it so much. What? Baby,
Scratch, don't you scratch your
you wanna come here?
ears?
Huh? So what I'm gonna do now is, since this has a bigger hole, I'm gonna cut this up here and then down here. So it will be just a continuous hole, one continuous hole, and mark it from the inside. See that? good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, MavMav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.
Do you like it, baby?
This is just 179 pesos or like $3 and something cents from Seth Apparel. Got it at Shopee. Sa Shopee. Seth Apparel. Baka naman. Now, for the next few weeks, expect to see cat-related videos like
DIY cat toys,
DIY cat scratching post,
DIY cat clothes,
a DIY cat condo.
Hindi ganyan yung ball.
Kiss mo ko. Uy.
Paid actor